Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Top Celebrity People.
Now I'm talking about American business magnate Bill Gates' lifestyle, biography and more things in this video. I hope you will like this video. William Henry Gates III is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, author, and philanthropist. He is a co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. If you love this video to the end, then don't forget subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Bill Gates biography. Real name: William Henry Gates III. Nickname: Trey, William Gates, Bill Gates. Claim to fame: Microsoft, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Occupation: business magnate, investor, author, philanthropist, humanitarian, co-founder of the Microsoft Corporation. Years active: 1975 present. Ethnicity: white. Bill has English, German, Scottish, and Scots-Irish ancestry. Zodiac signs: Scorpio. Date of birth: October 28, 1955, age 65 years. Place of birth: Seattle, Washington, United States. Nationality: American. Religion: Roman Catholic. Education: Bill studied at Lakeside School. He was an exceptional student and graduated in 1973 as a National Merit Scholar. After appearing for his SATs, he enrolled himself in Harvard College. Net worth: $130 billion, 2021, Forbes. Manager: Michael Larson manages Bill Gates. Brand endorsements: Bill Gates has appeared in a commercial for Microsoft. Bill Gates physical stats. Body type: average height, 5 feet 9.5 in, or 176.5 kg. Weight: 74 kilograms or 163 lb. Color: blue with a hint of green. Hair color: salt and pepper. Distinctive features: his glasses. Bill Gates family details. Father: William H. Gates Sr. Retired attorney, philanthropist, author. Mother: Mary Maxwell Gates, businesswoman, died on June 10, 1994. Siblings: Christy Gates, Christy Ann, older sister. Libby Gates McPhee, younger sister. Bill Gates spouse and children. Melinda French, 1987 present. Melinda worked as a product manager in Microsoft. They first met at a sales meeting in New York. The couple dated for a long duration of 7 years before finally tying the knot on January 1, 1994, in Lanai, Hawaii on a golf course. Son: Rory John Gates, age 21 years. Daughter: Phoebe Adele Gates, age 18 years. Daughter: Jennifer Catherine Gates, age 25 years. Bill Gates unknown facts. Bill is not well versed in video games. He enjoys playing a game of bridge. He enjoys watching his daughter ride horses. Bill has 2 dogs named Oreo and Nilla. Bill's biggest regret in the past had been not knowing any foreign languages. He adopted vegetarianism for a year in his early 20s. He is fond of eating at McDonald's and loves Big Macs. He is an avid reader and reads at least 50 books a year. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is the most extensive private charitable organization in the world. He became the youngest self-made billionaire at the age of 31. He got the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine in January 2021. Bill Gates is left-handed. In 2021, he authored a new book titled How to Avoid a Climate Disaster: The Solutions We Have and the Breakthroughs We Need. In his early days, he was a workaholic and did not believe in the concept of taking a break or going on vacations. As a teenager, he invented his computer program on the General Electric computer when he was studying at the Lakeside School. It was a version of tic-tac-toe where you could play against the machine. He traveled in economy class till he bought his private jet in 1997. He scored a near-perfect 1590 out of 1600 on his SATs. Bill also has somewhat of a wild boy streak. Gates was arrested in Mexico where he was caught driving without a license and ran a red light. His most significant fear is a child getting hurt or falling sick. He had initially thought of pursuing a career in law and mathematics as his father was a lawyer. He also had a keen interest in physics. Bill Gates' favorite things. Hobbies: reading. Book: The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. Microsoft project: Windows, Office. Fast food outlet: In-N-Out, Burgermaster. Spread: butter, peanut butter, cheese spread. Baseball team: Seahawks. Chef: Nathan Mervold. Cuisines: Thai, Indian. Snack: cheeseburger. Bill Gates' house address. Bill Gates lives in a luxurious house which is located in Xanadu 2.0, Medina, Washington. Bill Gates' social media. Facebook, 37,964,002 people follow this. Twitter, 54.7 million followers. Instagram, 6.5 million followers.